Good afternoon, wonderful people of Biafra. Good afternoon, lovers of freedom. Good afternoon, Biafra supporter all over the world. The God of our land, my ancestors, I challenge those who challenge the land. I challenge those who challenge the land. I challenge those who challenge the land. So I come in the name of my ancestors. The name of my ancestors. Now I come with. Now me be Commander Holy Ghost. Before I pass the message to a particular person, you will help me make this message reach him. Let me give you this information. Greeting from General Butuzo, the Commander-in-Chief of all forces in the land of United States of Biafra. He sends his regard to all Biafra witches, well-wisher. This is to inform the entire public and those who are dwelling in the land of Biafra, in Biafra territory, in this 40 state of United States of Biafra, that the coming Thursday, being 13 to Friday, being 14 of February 2025, is going to be total lockdown, 2-day lockdown. For the respect to those our brother, our cousin, our father, our mother, our sister, our niece, our friend that were murdered by Nigeria terrorist forces last week in a Boeing and all part of Biafra territory. It pains us. We love them. That is why we dedicate these 2 days for them. Thursday, the 13th of February 2025, and Friday, the 14th February 2025, is the day we dedicate for them. If you love them, if it touch you, stay at home. If you respect the dead, stay at home. But if you fail to stay at home, waiting kill them go kill you. I am not hiding my mouth. I will tell you what the Spirit sent. We want to give them respect that will shock the zoo. Total lockdown on 13 to 14. For the respect of those who die in the name of Biafra. So share this message and let it reach everywhere. Let it go far and near so that somebody will not say you did not hear. He who respects spirit, spirit will respect it. Know that you did not just born, you did not just survey on the surface of air. You from somewhere. And those of you who think it is not happening to you and therefore it no concern you, don't wait until it happens to you. Respect them so that they will keep fighting for you, that what happening to them may not happen to you. But if you say it doesn't concern you, then what happening to them will happen to you. Then you know it concerns you. Thursday and Friday this week, Thursday and Friday is total lockdown. Total lockdown. Total lockdown. If you go outside, anything you see, now you price them, now you buy them, you know concern me. Heaven and earth bear me witness that I've informed you. Having said that, I want you to pass this voice. If those who know this voice, you send this voice to the person. Tell the person, I, Holy Ghost, Commander Holy Ghost, I have challenged this person in the name of my ancestors, the God of the land. He mentioned my name. That is why he concerned me. He mentioned two names that involve me. You mentioned the name of Butuzo. You mentioned my name, Holy Ghost. I challenge you. I don't know. He don't mention his name. I don't care to know. But send this message to him. I want to play the record. Send this message to this person. Say, I challenge him. From now till the half of this year, if you see the sunlight, from now till the end, I challenge him. Tell him that Holy Ghost challenge you. Because he challenged my ancestors. And that is why I tell him that I come in the name of my ancestors. That if you see the sunshine from now till the half of this moon, that is, you know, that is working with the spirit of the land. Biafra is beyond him. And because Biafra is beyond him, he will swallow him. He said Simon Ekpa is not coming out, Abi. I challenge him that Simon Ekpa will come out and him head will go down. Let me play in voice for you.
License to travel any part of the world. I have the license. And I have gun license. And a license to handle gun. Any part of the world. I can kill you and go say her license. I have license to kill. And I have license to travel any part of the world. On deep Nekwezoko. Money hand and make her name such. I'm not gonna have that. Put a house for me to my passport. They tell him visa no maga. All these places they put search. Then will come was it on deep Nekwezoko. Money hand and make her name such. I'm not gonna have that. Put a house for me to my passport. They tell him visa no maga. Send people and make them mother boom play with you. It's in bow. Why not in Altonia? I know just say in several times in Nigeria. Basali only the Bible with information. I come Nigeria. I have entered Nigeria several times since I have been born. I have to go more than 50 times in Nigeria. Put everything in order. Every member of autopilot liberator. I will pick all of you. It's a promise. We want peace in our land. We don't want criminality. We don't want certain people's houses ablaze. We don't want to be killing people. But only one way a member of autopilot liberation terrorist is a terrorist. And we never escape by judgment.
I have a lot of record of this person. But there are places I pick. He say he get power to go everywhere and kill. That he don't talk, say Simon Ekpa can never come out. That is going to kill Gentle. He's going to kill Butuzo. He's going to kill Holy Ghost. He's going to kill. He mentioned so many names. And he have mentioned those he will say he have already captured. Chideke God. But it's true, nothing where Moses no go see forget to. I challenge this guy. Please, if you know this person, he have mentioned his name. Let this message reach him. Tell him that I challenge him. He should go and cook. Cook very well. You see that thing where he cook? He go eat them. Tell him that I say, let this message reach him. I am, so some of you, some of you don't know anything. We always say that this is the child's play. Tell this person who sent this message. He say na autopilot, na BLA, they born out, na they be terrorists. You leave Nigeria terrorist state. You get this kind of power. Now you know pursue Nigeria out of your ancestral land. You get this power. Now they run from your land. You get this kind of power. Now you never remove the evil Nigeria president Ebubaku from your land. I know they make mouth. When a child chew what his mouth does not like, you will see it. You will see the reflection in his face. Let me repeat for you. When a child chew wetin him mouth no like, you go see the reflection for him face. Wetin you cook, you must chop am. And na me, Holy Ghost, go force you to chop that thing. Now you cook am o, but na me go force you to chop. And your time start now. I challenge you in the name of the God of Biafra, the God of my ancestor. I challenge you. If you last half of this year pass, I want you to make record again on the end of June. Make me another record. If you will still reach that time, the land of Biafra will swallow you. The land of Biafra will swallow you. I told you, now we be una end. You are talking about killing our brother. You are talking about killing our brother. Do you know what is brother? I'm asking you, do you know what is brother? Sabotage can never be my brother. Not in this life, not in the next life. Sabo can never be my brother. Do you know what? The enemy within is more dangerous than the enemy without. Because the bush rat no go know the road to take enter inside house and know where they keep the fish. If the house rat no lead them in. Do you know what is Sabo? Ojukwu did not lose war because of all the forces, the war gang up against Ojukwu. Ojukwu lose the war because of Sabo. Sabo like you. Sabo like you. Ojukwu lose war because of Sabo. You don't know this? And you are now saying that if a Sabo go join Ebubaku, one can kill me as you pardon him. And I told you, your time is counting down from now. From now, this moment that I'm talking to you, I challenge you to go and do your worst. Your time